Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about CSS pseudo elements. So the pseudo elements are used to style specified part of an element. Like an example, we can select the first line of an element, or even we can select the first letter of an element, and also we can insert content before the element, and also we can insert after one element using the pseudo elements. Like an example, we have the paragraph with some bunch of lines. Now we can use the CSS pseudo elements. So we have to write P, then double colon, and then we can use the first line pseudo element, and we can select and style the first line of the paragraph. So we can set the background color of yellow, and you can see the first line of the paragraph has the background color of yellow, and that is because of the first line pseudo element. So here you can see the pseudo elements are represented by using the double colon notation, where the pseudo classes are represented by using only one single colon. This is to distinguish between the pseudo class and the pseudo elements. Similar way, we can use the first letter pseudo element, and we can style the first letter of the paragraph. So we can set the font size of 50 pixel. So you can see the first letter has the font size of 50 pixel. And also we can use the pseudo element, and we can insert content before and after one element. Like an example, we have the h2 element. Now we can use the h2, then double colon, and then we can use the before pseudo element, and we can insert some content before the element. So I'm gonna insert the Google image. So if I refresh the page, then you can see we have the content before the pseudo element. Similar way, also we can use the after pseudo element. So we can insert the content after the element, and also we can use the marker pseudo element, and we can style the marker of the list. So we have the list items. Now we can style the marker of the list by using the marker pseudo element. So we can set the font size of 50 pixel. So you can see the markers have the font size of 50 pixel, and also we can set the color of red. So we have the red 50 pixel marker, and also we have the selection pseudo element. So we can use the selection pseudo element, and we can style the content that we select on our web page. So the content we select on our web page, we want the background color to be green and the font color to be white. So now whenever we select some content on the web page, you can see the background color changes to green and the font color changes to white. So this is the way we can use the CSS pseudo elements, and we can style the specified part of an element. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.